Marhaban. Useful Arabic phrases. Pronounce with me. Marhaban. Marhaban. Welcome. Marhaban. Ahlan. Ahlan. Hello. Ahlan. Ahlan bik. Ahlan bik. You're welcome. Ahlan bik. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Most welcome. Ahlan wa sahlan. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair. Good morning. Sabahul khair. Sabahun noor. Sabahun noor. Sabahun noor. Sabahun noor. Good morning. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. Good evening. Masa'un noor. Masa'un noor. Masa'un noor. Good evening. Shukran jazeelan. Shukran jazeelan. Thanks a lot. Shukran jazeelan. Shukran jazeelan. Afwan. Afwan. You're welcome. It also means excuse me. Afwan. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. Please. Min fadlik. Rihla sa'ida. Rihla sa'ida. Happy journey. Rihla sa'ida. Rihla sa'ida. Sa'idum bilikaika. Sa'idum bilikaika. Sa'idum bilikaika. Happy to meet you. Sa'idum bilikaika. Layla sa'ida. Layla sa'ida. Good night. Layla sa'ida. Ila lika. Ila lika. See you. Ila lika. Don't forget to subscribe. Ma'as salama.